That tune you gone straight to one,
Another
yeah?
Ballaz production. Ready one?
Yes, one.
Yeah. Yes one. Ready one. Test one. Yes. This one. The best one. Ready one. T1. Oh, never cool. Never. Yo, one God, that's the first commandment, one aim. Marcus Garvey's statement, one love. Robert Nesta Marley, him one bossy reggae community number one. One shot alone kill man. Everybody cut through the situation. Left one man stand up with the murder weapon front of one eyewitness him never bet on 1-1. 9 that alert Babylon. One more covert operation in a 1 month kingfish drop like a bomb. One more black incarceration. One extra key can build a drug down. One extra vote can win election. One lose can start World War I now. One loose gal cause it's we kill man. One man we kill another man for a grand. Way woulda do them for 1 million. One good sniff we cause addiction, but one good split release the tension. The one greatest weapon. One book, one brain, one education.
Just for a minute.
One repopulation, one man, one woman is one master plan.
Yes, one, test one, check one. Craigie T, yeah, me have a quick question. If you the verse one, then what me fi do? I must the next verse, I coulda never verse 2.
You're not ready for me, you're not ready for me, so watch me. You're not ready for me, you're not ready, you're not ready, you're not ready for me, you're not ready for me, so watch me. You're not ready for me, you're not ready, you're not ready. I thought you were ready to be my boyfriend. I thought I was ready to be a girl. Then I saw you with her, and I saw you kiss her, and I saw you, and I don't ever wanna see.
So when you step out, t-shirt, jeans and cap fitted, throwback jersey edition limited. Girls get wet from the fragrance I imitate. This is me Yankee, make girls want swing song from me. From most a little boy wearing khaki. Me have the girls, school girls, them just a start me, ask me which school? Immaculate looks and carty. Queens can't act like human beings when them pass me. Anyway, stop living the past. Me in the club sipping champagne with Danny champagne. Tip it up, little mama wet in the glass. Don't get it twisted, me roll with the Ballaz. And if you mess around, trust me, you'll be misted. I mean mist, they get disappear like the mist. More money, more gal, more car. No more war, no more panther. More flossing, more girls endorsing. More party vibes, big speakers blasting. More money, more gal, more car. No more war, no more panther. More flossing, more girls endorsing. More party vibes.
Everybody, ladies, it's time for you to get wrong. Everybody, let's dance, come on, get on the dance floor. Everybody, DJ turn up the music some more. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, hey. Now that the party's jumping, everybody's dancing one time. And the vibe is insane, you're feeling no pain, you're going out of your mind. So ladies, let it flow, don't hold back, let it go. So shake it up, swing your body, let the music make you unwind.
I can turn you into a superstar. I can have you driving fancy cars. I got all the connections to the biggest name in the nation. Money anything cause you know who we are. We can pimp you out, we can mink you out. Turn you in a millennium with word of mouth. If you have no doubt, just ask about the richest girl on the block who run the soul. Me link real, my eyes them real. Bank account heavy, contract seal. On your meal deal, money there so fi peel. Me can make you no richness feel.
But mine a dip in a me business, but me na cur.
They make a positive move, then them a purr.
Them no want see you pay longer than a year.
There's something goes
But my people get the hell out of her.
for real. Them like it, them a purr.
Drop microphone sound pretty amateur.
Step off from a space where you get.
Well, gangsta no look me trouble, we go round it, round it. But if I suck, me we zone it, zone it. Car earth a run, red arts rich in corruption a float, me we drone it, drone it. I've always known it, known it. I know a snake, don't stone it, stone it. Why you can't earn a thing now? We don't find a postpone it.
Can I get a witness? Get another man with a then I want a man with a sickness. So if you pop down, go on the workout, catch by the fitness. Can I get a witness? Get another man with a then I want a man with a sickness. So if you pop down, go on the workout, catch by the fitness. Some man pop down, them not have no back. All them good for bag of tough chat. Guineas and weed and roots all a pop. Jump on the thing and them catch heart attack. Some man firm and hard like a rock. Skill with the thing with them car for now shoot. Get it one time and me have to come back. Hook on the thing like crap.
Yo, tough life. When everything is alright, we are different rights. Life, aye. Then get to you, them a shout out equal rights. Life, yeah. When I'm burning up the fussing and the war, we are burning the fight. Life, yo, get to you. Rise up, yeah, yeah, me. Rise up. Well, for them all, but them don't know themselves. Well, I them a fight but them don't know themselves. Now defend the rights, them don't know themselves. You fight equal rights, aye. Look for them all but them don't know themselves. Look for them a fight but them don't know themselves. Now give back but them don't know themselves, self. Alright, them a fight against culture. Whoa, sister enough of them a vulture. Well again, them a fight against shoot. Sister enough of them want to destroy the road. Again, you them not overstand. That's why enough of this repatriation. Yo again.